Don't take the early renewal bait from your lender. We have been getting a ton of clients calling us, asking us if the offer their lender's giving them 6 to 12 months before their maturity date is a good deal to take. And we're telling them, do not do anything. Wait it out. Be patient, folks. We are seeing a number of folks that have great rates on their mortgage that have a year and a bit left at a rate that's in the 2 and 3% range. Take it right to maturity. Take advantage of the rate you negotiated down back in the day and get the full benefit of that rate. Many lenders are trying to get folks to early renew their mortgages and trying to incent them with cashbacks and telling them this rate's only available for a week, you need to make a decision, and they're trying to entice people to take the offer. Don't do it. Don't fall for it. And here's why. The recent inflation print that just came out shows that inflation, the CPI, dropped to just under 2%. They rounded it to 2%, but we've now hit the Bank of Canada's target rate of 2%, which means that coupled with terrible employment numbers, this Bank of Canada is going to have to continue their rate cuts. We've seen 3 to date. We got 2 more meetings this year. We're going to see a continuation of rate cuts, quarter, maybe even half point by the end of the year. And it will continue into 2025. So we are going to see lower rates than where we are today. So it makes no sense to early renew. I know a lot of people would prefer the peace of mind and make sure that they could lock in because they've seen higher rates in the past. But the reality is the economy is sputtering. It's terrible. And we're seeing the economy slow because as folks have renewed into their mortgages, there's less household disposable income to spend, and the economy is just slowing. It's slowing to a crawl. The only reason why GDP is up is because of all the immigration that's come in. But when you look at a per capita GDP, we are doing terrible, folks. It is not good. Young folks, unemployment's hit 16, 17%. Not good. There is over 85% of people that are unemployed that have been looking for jobs for over 27 weeks. That's not a good sign. As people lose jobs, there's not a lot of new ones out there for people to find. So this is going to put more pressure on the Bank of Canada to reduce rates and bodes well for you as you wait it out to your maturity date. So if you have a mortgage that's coming up for renewal in the next 6 to 12 months, hold tight. Be confident in knowing that rates will be lower down the road than they are today. Don't fall for the little gimmicks that these banks are offering you, and call us. Call me, call my team. Call a mortgage professional that's unbiased. Call Ron Butler, my good friend, who's also preaching that folks should be patient with this stuff. Speak to a professional mortgage specialist that's going to give you unbiased advice and will do the math and determine what would be the best option for you. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. I read them all. Thank you.